Hey Cheyenne, I'm Bethany Willmarth and I am one of the owners here at Swirls and Pearls. We are a small, locally owned cupcakery located in wonderful downtown Cheyenne. We've been in business for about 5.5 years and recently started operating from our brick and mortar store in November of last year. Today I've been asked to share with you a few of the reasons why I have chosen Cheyenne. First and foremost, I was born and raised in Cheyenne. I'm surrounded by all of my family, my close friends, and now I have the luxury of raising my 2 children here as well. Secondly, I choose Cheyenne because of our close proximity to so many amazing different options. We have anything you could imagine this summer, all kinds of outdoor recreation options from boating, fishing, hiking, biking, you name it, we've got it within just a short drive. And also our proximity to some of those fun winter sports such as downhill skiing, cross-country skiing, snowshoeing, tubing. Pretty much anything you can think of is within close and easy access to Cheyenne, and that makes it a wonderful place for our family to live. Lastly, I choose Cheyenne because of the incredible amount of support we receive from our community. As a small business owner, we rely on our community to help keep our businesses afloat, and more often than not, we are humbled and left completely speechless by the amount of support that we receive from everyone here in our community. And for those reasons, I choose Cheyenne.